Let's do this. All right, so what we got here is a bunch of stuff from Ikea. We also have one thing from Amazon. I'm hoping and praying that everything's shipped okay and that nothing's messed up. We haven't looked at it yet. In my last part of my video, I talked about needing a new vanity situation, but because the space in my room is so specific, I really have to kind of like customize this by piecing together a bunch of different things. So we're gonna unbox, build, and set up my room. That Chipotle's coming back. All right, let's do it. Hi, welcome to my heavenly sanctuary. Just kidding. Welcome to my new room, guys. Last time you saw this, we were fixing a few things, right? You remember we had a closet situation. We also had a vanity situation. And then in between then, I spruced it up just a tad bit. My new vanity is built. You can kind of see her behind me. You see that she's cute. This is my bedroom, guys, and I'm ready to do a room reveal. All right, so here we are. We're in my bedroom. This is my new vanity. I think it came out really well. As you'll notice, there are a few different types of furniture in here, or maybe you didn't notice, and if you didn't, that's the goal. But either way, the purpose was to gain function, and I wanted to do it as aesthetically pleasing as possible, but that was goal number 2. Goal number 1 was to be able to fit more of my beauty items over in this corner. If you remember last time, I had like something in the corner on the other side of my room where I had like a bunch of my products, and it just wasn't working out. It wasn't cute. It didn't really function very well. And I didn't want to go from like one side to the other side to have things. I wanted to sit down, do my makeup, be able to see myself, have a lot of lighting, and just get beautiful. And I really feel like I accomplished that with this. First thing, this is left over from my last quasi room tour, but now it fits in this area just so much better. Everything is nice and white, nice and clean. I'm able to put makeup in these drawers, all of my skincare on top, which is really important because I want to be able to get to it, and I have certain items that I use for certain issues or certain items that I use at certain times of the day. More makeup is in here. Makeup. Storage galore, guys. Like I have so... Uh-oh. It's struggle beauty. It ain't struggle beauty if something ain't going wrong. Oh, you thought you were cute? Let me like fuck your shit up real quick. Storage galore, which I'm really excited about. I haven't even like filled up all these drawers yet or figured out exactly how I want to use them. This is kind of just like I have baby wipes, things like that in this drawer. This is kind of like a catch-all drawer, honestly. There's not a lot going on in here. It's just like junk. Eyelash torture devices with extra lashes. Just for fun, I kept my Tracy Martell lashes from my Halloween video. I'm able to store all of my lipsticks and all of my skincare products, and I even have drawers that I haven't even used yet. So I'm super excited. I really tried to future-proof this setup because honestly, one, it was a little costly and I don't want to have to like throw out any pieces later on. But two, I knew that my collection of stuff was going to grow a little bit and I wanted to make sure that I had the appropriate space. You know, and I just added some other decorations. I got these really cute shelves from Amazon, and I just took some of the stuff I already owned from other parts of my room and just like placed it over here and made just like a vibe, a total vibe. All right, so here we are on the other side of my room. As you can see, this area has been completely redone. I have more storage over here, which I already had this, but now it's like more visible, it's cute. I installed some shelves and just got some pretty, you know, flowers, all from Ikea actually. Those aren't even real, but more storage, more storage, more storage. That was the goal. The vibe I was going for was like a luxurious feel, but I also really wanted like a Hollywood Regency vibe. So I wanted something that was like luxurious, but also glamorous. And I think I accomplished that. These items I got from Craigslist secondhand. The rest of it I got from Ikea, and it all works really well together. I'm really excited. I think this is like beautiful. It makes me feel good about being in the space, and this room isn't big at all, but honestly, I think I made the best out of it, and I'm able to do a lot with a very little amount of space. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. Post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat, because I'll catch you on the flip side. All right, so one of the things I love about this vanity is how much light I have. And for the sake of the video, we've dimmed this. This is very bright. It did come with its own light bulbs, but I upgraded them because I wanted something that I can control with like an app. So these are Wi-Fi bulbs, but they get very bright. And the fact that I have 6 bulbs, of which I'm only using 5, really allows me to do my makeup. If you remember, I was using like one little like janky Ikea light. It was like a book light where you clamp onto something and you just like read. Nothing fits perfectly in this corner because obviously it's like a small corner. And even this is not perfect. I mean, I definitely wish I had some more room between my bed and my vanity, but I really wanted to maximize the space. While there's a lot of individual pieces to this vanity, of which not only had to be assembled, but first had to be procured. Like I had to find the right dimensions, the right colors, right? Like white. There's a million shades of white out there, and I wanted to make sure that everything I found flowed together. I didn't want too many yellow whites, and I mostly succeeded with that. Then we had knob situations that I had to work through, and I was able to upgrade a lot of my knobs, and I have a few more knobs coming so that way I can like make the rest of the items on the vanity like match. Even these drawers, I don't love the holes, but I can turn them around when I install new knobs, and then everything will be the same like blinged out kind of look. So keeping that kind of stuff in mind was really important. It did require a little bit of research and like doing measurements upon measurements to make sure that things would work. But overall, I'm really excited for the results. I think this looks really good. She's definitely cute, and when she's cute, it makes me feel cute. All right guys, so you guys were with me for this whole journey. You saw the order process. You saw what it looked like before. You saw like ordering and trying to figure out like what I was gonna buy, to us putting it together, to this like final phase where it's all assembled and in use and it's working. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, can I get a like or some shit, because honestly this was hella work. And I mean, yeah, I know it's my room and all, but damn, like, you know, I worked hella hard. Like hook it up, like, you know, drop a like, maybe even a comment too. Unless it's like a negative comment, I'm not here for that. I don't really care about like if you don't like this space, but if you love it, let me know. If you don't, like, fuck you. Yay, we recorded some shit.